So just from clipping once a day, I think for like 30 minutes, I managed to make this amount of money in a month, which is not a lot, but there are reasons why it's not a lot, and I'll explain further. The reason is that I don't post much on this page because I've been actually making more money from my simple AI videos, this is the amount that I've been making from my simple AI videos, which is a video for another day. So just from clipping my favorite podcast, I managed to make $43 in the first month. And to be honest, I don't even post that much. And then there's something important to remember when it comes to clipping that I want you guys to know. Most podcasts actually appreciate clippers, although they might not say it, but they actually appreciate clippers because both parties benefit from clipping. As a clipper, you gain follower and you make some money from the content. And as time goes on, the podcast gets new people, from people watching their content. What really surprised me is that I haven't been serious with this page. I was literally uploading here and there. But this month I decided to dedicate at least 1 hour a day to it and see what happens if I actually increase the amount of content I'm posting. To my surprise, the money has increased without me doing too much extra work. Like basically this month, I said last month I had $43 from the first month, and this month it kind of combined with the money that was actually left over. So basically, I'm looking at a minimum from what I see of $100. But one of the best thing about Facebook that separates it from any other platform is that you can make money. You don't make money from reels only. You make money from anything that you put there. That can be post, pictures. I'm saying post, means pictures, reels, and text can also make money from it. For example, look at this picture. I just took this picture with my phone, and this is how much it is made, as you can see. So it means Facebook it's limitless for anyone. You can, especially if you're someone who's creative, in a way that you can post things that can cause engagement, which are what comments or something that can provoke a reaction from people. You can make money from that. So I'm going to make a more detailed video showing you exactly how I do everything that I do. But for now, these are all the tools that I use to make my videos. Number one is OBS, which is free. I can leave a link. It's free to download. You can just download OBS. Number two is CapCut for all my editing. Only those two softwares have managed to pick this money for 30 minutes work. So from just OBS and CapCut, which I don't pay for, and clipping, which is also free, I made that money. I know if someone if I'm focused on this page or only, I can make around let's say $250 per month if I'm focused on this page only. And another thing to keep in mind, it doesn't have to be a podcast only. You can clip YouTubers, like top YouTubers that you like. For example, here in SA, I'm most likely to get SA audience. So if I want to create another page, I don't have to choose a podcast anymore. I can just go with like Peanut. He doesn't post a lot of clips, so which is an advantage. And a lot of people don't clip him, which is an advantage. And then there's also Godhlobi. Most people, especially in SA, it's so easy to clip these guys because most people are focused on the international guys. So it's easier for if you are someone who knows how to just clip simple clips, which I'll make a more detailed video on how to do. But what I'm basically saying is that it doesn't have to feel like work because it's someone that you'll be watching most of the time. Like for me, I watch a lot of podcasts, so it doesn't feel like work. It's like getting paid for doing what I like, basically. So you just have to pick who you like. For example, Peanuts, Godhlobi, Bruce. These are just people from the top of my head. There are more people, although these are the 3 people that I think have got motion in numbers right now in SA. So if I had more time, like right now, I would go for like Peanuts or Godhlobi because of the numbers, and they've got a lot of viewers. Like Godhlobi and Peanuts right now are going crazy. Those are the people that I would go for and start clipping, and I know I'll be monetized within 3 months or even a month even, because I have a page that could monetize within a month also. So with that said, if you don't like showing your face, or you're looking for an additional source of income, or you're just looking for something that you can do with the content you are already watching, try clipping. You might actually be surprised by how much you will make from it, to be honest. In my next video, I'm going to show you exactly how I got this page monetized and made close to $1,000 without doing a lot of work. The goal is to use your brain, not your muscles too much. It's creativity, and you don't have to do a lot with these things. I'm going to teach you how you do everything. And to prove that this was not like or I don't know, the algorithm favored me or something, I created another page, which is this one. And we look at the posts that I've made on this page. Is 33 posts, and already I've made the monetization criteria. And the only thing I'm waiting for this month, before the end of this month, is monetization only. So make sure you follow you follow me, or you subscribe, because I'm gonna be making a much detailed video on how you do all these things. And as much of you guys know me, I usually use free stuff for most of my content, so you don't have to do a lot. And also, I'm going to show you the best times to post and the what audience to target. A lot of things. So just make sure you sub up, and see you in the next one.